If your house, the furnace make this sound, let me show you what's the problem, okay? Like this. It's gonna start, but look at it. It's gonna take a second. So it's working good, but this is the problem. You can see it, see? You see some can less. Sometimes this washer is no good, you can change this washer. See? Nothing. So it would be this problem. So all you have to do is two screw, three screw, one right here, and one right there, and one right there, and it should be okay. First, you turn off with the switch, like this. See, you can hear this is the bearing is no good too. So it's two problems. This is a problem and this is a problem. So I'm gonna change the whole thing. It's not expensive. So first you unplug it like this one. The black one go top and the white one go the bottom. And if you have screw, this size is goes here. Okay. Okay, let me just push. Okay, this is the old one. Let's test it. It's kind of stick, making noisy. It's the old one, and this is the new one. So this should be good. See, this is clean this washer. And pull this washer out, and the new came with it, so just pull like this, easy. Yeah. And that's it. See, that's it. Good. It came with the washer, so you don't need it, it's already on it. Okay, let me put it back. Okay, as you see, I put the screw on 1, 2, 3. Should be good. And put the connection. This one, and the black one goes here. Believe me guys, this is just only take me how much, 10 minutes, okay? And put your switch on, just wait. It's gonna take like at least 3 minutes, okay? Okay, what I do normally, I like to turn off from here. It's off, as you see. So now it's better. Before it was a little more noisy when I put a new one, but let me tell you what was problem. Just 1 second. One of those screw I left loose, so that's why I need to tie it. So I tie it good. Now it's good. So it's flaming. It's good. Yeah, it's easy, simple. It take me only 10 minutes. We save like $300 at least on this project. Okay, you guys can do it same thing. You just change it by yourself. Okay, have a good